So neurons are the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Information from the brain is conducted through electrical impulses via neurons. The arrangement of neurons is specific in order to maintain smooth conduction. A neuron has dendrites and cell body which receive the impulse. The axon is the terminal part of the neuron that transmit the signal to another neuron. It works as a relay system. There are numerous neurons arranged one after another for sending and receiving signals. The information is not only transmitted through an action potential, the neurons are not directly attached to one another. There are gaps between each neuron. This gap between neurons is called a synapse. The axon terminal is one neuron is called a presynaptic neuron, and the dendritic area of the next neuron is called postsynaptic neuron. Neurotransmitters are the chemicals that help in the conduction of electrical impulse from presynaptic to postsynaptic neurons. These neurotransmitters are stored in vesicles of presynaptic neurons. When an electrical impulse reaches the axon terminal, these vesicles bind to a specialized docking proteins on the membrane. When the proteins fuse the vesicle to the presynaptic membrane, the vesicle opens and empties its neurotransmitters into the synaptic cleft. There are several receptors on the postsynaptic membrane that receives the neurotransmitter. The binding of neurotransmitter to receptors depend on specific shape of molecules and receptors as well as ion channels. This bind of neurotransmitter allows electrical impulse to pass on to the postsynaptic neuron.